Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox this smallest drone CSJX1 and we are gonna give this to one lucky winner. The procedure is I'm gonna explain this on my Facebook page and also in the description. So please check out there. Let's see what we get inside. Okay, so we can see 4 batteries here, and this one was this some kind of a sticker, I don't know. Okay, let's move on. Next we get here some user manual. Yeah, you can see some instruction, but it's all in Chinese. So here's the box. Okay, here is our drone. I'm pretty excited about that because I haven't used it before and I don't know what's it's gonna be like. The CSJX17 2.4G new tumbler aircraft from outside looks pretty good actually. It comes with 2 colors as we can see from the box, like white and black. From downside we can see some precautions and warning. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, enough from the outside, let's see what we get inside. Okay, and here's our pretty little drone. Yeah, let me take it out slowly because I guess it looks kind of delicate. Oh wow, it's so light. I mean, as you can see how easily it can fit in my hand, but guys, it's really very lightweight. I don't know, maybe hardly even 100 grams, I guess. I wasn't expecting that actually. Okay, and it looks good. Let's see what else we have here inside. Okay, so here we get one remote. Okay, yes, here we get one remote. Yes, the buttons are obviously, as it's very cheap drones, so the quality of the remote is definitely not so good, but it's not so bad either, you know. Okay, so the batteries are for the remote control. Okay, and we get one charging cable. Yes, and here's the actual user manual for how we can operate this little drone. And this is for, I guess, to hold our mobile with the remote control. So here's our little drone. The design, it looks very okay, actually quite good. And if I switch on that, it has this lightning function which will obviously give you a very cool effect in the night. This is his switch on and off button here. Okay, we are trying to connect this remote control with this drone so we can test it. Okay, let me. Guys, if you are looking for a very cheap or lightweight small drone, then this is a pretty good option. I don't know if there are any other like this in the market. I will try to find out and then share with you guys, but before buying any expensive one, I think you should try this one, so you can understand that if you are really into drones or you like this or not, and you also can learn because it's not very easy to drive these drones actually. Even after trying for 1 hour, I still cannot drive it very smoothly. So my advice is to try and test this one. And the best thing about this, the cage they have built outside this drone, it keeps very safe and secure, you know. No matter how many times you throw it on the wall or it drops down, but it's not gonna damage. Times I have thrown it on the floor or on the wall, but it still works pretty smoothly. I like this idea of actually building this small plastic wire cage around this drone thing. Not it just save the drone, but it also protect people or the animals around you. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my video and if you want me to keep sharing these kind of video with you, please do subscribe. And if you want any specific unboxing, or just write it in the comment box and I will try to do it as soon as possible. Bye bye.